In this video, we are going to create Y-joint weldment structure. Let's start. So first of all, we'll take front plane and we'll create the sketch in Y shape. I'll make this line to be vertical and we'll create one center line. About the center line, I want to make this both line to be symmetrical and we'll maintain total angle of 90 degrees and we'll define all lines to be equal to each other. Now we'll define the distance, that is 500. Zoom out, accept. Now we'll go to Weldment tab and click on the Weldment tool. Once the weldment is active, we'll go to Structure Member. Here we'll set to ANSI inches, rectangular tube and select 4x3 into 0.25. Here we'll select first two lines, add Structure Member, rectangular tube. Now we'll click on New Group. We'll select the next line. Now here you can see we have a pink dot. We'll click on that. I want to trim the corners, this side also and that side also. So here we have to increase the trim order 1 and we'll make it 2. So here you can see it will be trimmed from both the sides. We'll do OK here and OK. We can see by making it cross section, you can see it has been trimmed properly and the cross section has been joined. So if you want to make this kind of Y-joint section, we can create this way. After now, we can hide the existing sketches. If you like this video, subscribe our channel and thank you for watching this video.